Hello, this is a robot I'm working on for a science exhibit. And it could talk, it could sing, it runs on the Raspberry Pi and Arduino microcontroller. So I'm improving the arm design. So that's what I'm gonna demo today and test. As you can see on the left of your screen, you see it's strapped onto the PVC pipe there. And let's see how it goes. Okay, so it basically works. I have to play with the program so that it can move in the right direction. I want to move up and down. And what's been going on, I tried to use a servo motor and that didn't have enough torque. So then I tried to use uh, another motor, stepper motor, twice as big as this, and that didn't work either. So basically, I came to the conclusion I needed to do a gear reduction, or basically, what I'm using here is a planetary gear. They're pretty expensive, so I saw a design online. I'll put down the links, and I 3D printed it because it's a demo, so it doesn't really have to hold stuff that's heavy. It just has to show that it works. And here's another one for the other side. So you can see down here is the NEMA 17 stepper motor. And this part is the 3D printer part. And look for more videos because I'll demo the rest of it as everything's